Welcome to 6454 Orion Way. This ranch-style attached home is situated in the desirable Westwoods area of Arvada. The grounds are very inviting. Enter into the spacious living room that has a gas fireplace. The dining room opens to both the living room and kitchen. The fully appointed kitchen has plenty of room. The master suite has vaulted ceilings. There is a 5-piece bathroom within the master suite. You will appreciate the convenience of the main floor laundry with washer and dryer provided. The second bedroom has plenty of space. The main bathroom also has lots of space. All 3 bedrooms have ample daylight. You will love the full open basement.